Factorial is a non-negative integer. It is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to the number you ask for factorial. It is denoted by an exclamation sign.
We have declared a num variable that takes an integer as an input from the user. We declared a variable factorial and assigned 1. Then, we checked if the user enters the number less than 1, then it returns the factorial does not exist for a negative number. If it returns false, then we check num is equal to 0. It returns false, the control transfers to the else statement and prints the factorial of a given number.
Let's run the code and see the output.
We will use the math module, which provides the built-in factorial method. Let's understand the following example. We have imported the math module that has factorial function. It takes an integer number to calculate the factorial. We don't need to use logic.
Let's run the code and see the output. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Code is given in description.